Hey, if you're getting a black screen in OBS when using game capture, yeah, that's one of the most common problems streamers run into. The good news is it's usually pretty easy to fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to get your game showing properly in OBS Studio. So let's jump in. First, try running OBS as administrator. I mean, many games run with higher permissions, and if OBS doesn't match that level, game capture can fail. Close OBS, right-click the icon, and choose Run as Administrator. Next, check your game capture mode. Open your game capture source and make sure the mode is set to Capture Specific Window or capture any full-screen application, depending on your game. This one is big. Yeah. If your game and OBS are running on different graphics cards, you'll often see a black screen. Go to your Windows graphics settings and make sure both OBS and your game use the same GPU. Another common cause is overlay conflicts. So disable overlays like Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, or other screen tools. These can block game capture from hooking into the game. If the black screen is still there, try changing your game's display mode. Some games work better in full screen, others in borderless windowed. Yeah, this small tweak often fixes capture issues. Last step, make sure OBS and your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Outdated versions can break game capture compatibility. And that's it. One of these fixes should remove the black screen and get game capture working normally in OBS. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.